Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Food Tech Buddy by Mujit Dhoka. Types of chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element, nor do atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Actually, chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. Combination reaction. Formation of slaked lime by the reaction of calcium oxide with water, consisting of beaker consisting of water and calcium oxide. Calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat. Calcium oxide, quicklime plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide, slaked lime. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, calcium hydroxide. Such a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. A solution of slaked lime produced by the reaction 1.13 is used for whitewashing wall. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. Calcium carbonate is formed after the 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. It is interesting to note that the chemical formula for marble is also CaCO3. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate plus water, CaCO3. Let us discuss some more examples of combination reactions. Burning of coal, C plus O2 gives CO2. Formation of water from H2 and O2. Combination of 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O molecule. In simple language, we can say that when two or more substances, elements or compounds combine to form a single product, the reactions are called combination reactions. Other examples of exothermic reactions are burning of natural gas. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Do you know that respiration is an exothermic process? We all know that we need energy to stay alive. We get this energy from the food we eat. During digestion, food is broken down into simpler substances. For example, rice, potatoes, and bread contain carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. This glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body and provides energy. C6H12O6 glucose plus 6 oxygen molecules O2 gives 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus energy. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of an exothermic reaction. Decomposition reaction. Correct way of heating the boiling tube containing crystals of ferrous sulfate and of the smelling the odor. Do not point the mouth of the boiling tube at your neighbor or yourself, wafting gas gently towards the nose. Boiling tube and the ferrous sulfate crystals. Have you noticed that the green color of the ferrous sulfate crystals has changed? You can also smell the characteristic odor of burning sulfur. 2FeSO4 ferrous sulfate on heating gives Fe2O3 ferric oxide plus SO2 plus SO3. In this reaction, you can observe that a single reactant breaks down to give simpler products. This is a decomposition reaction. Ferrous sulfate crystals FeSO4.7H2O lose water when heated and the color of the crystal changes. It then decomposes to ferric oxide Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide SO2 and sulfur trioxide SO3. Ferric oxide is a solid while SO2 and SO3 are gases. Decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide on heating is an important decomposition reaction used in various industries. Calcium oxide is called lime or quicklime. It has many uses. One is the manufacture of cement. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. CaCO3 limestone on heating gives CaO plus CO2 quicklime. Heating of lead nitrate and emission of nitrogen dioxide. You will observe the emission of brown fumes. These fumes are of nitrogen dioxide, NO2. The reaction that takes place is 2PbNO3 whole twice lead nitrate on heating gives lead oxide 2PbO plus nitrogen dioxide 4NO2 plus O2. You will see that white silver chloride turns grey in sunlight. This is due to the decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. 2AgCl on coming in contact with sunlight gives 2Ag plus Cl2. This is also mentioned as photolytic decomposition. Silver chloride turns grey in sunlight to form silver metal. Sunlight falling on the china dish consisting of silver chloride. Electrolysis of water. Silver bromide also behaves in the same way. 2 AgBr in coming in contact with sunlight gives 2 Ag plus Br2. The above reactions are used in black and white photography. What form of energy is causing these decomposition reactions? We have seen that the decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, light or electricity for breaking down the reactants. Reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. Displacement reaction. Iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution. Why does the iron nail become brownish in color and the blue color of copper sulfate solution fade? Iron nails and copper sulfate solutions compared before and after the experiment. Iron nail taken out from the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution, test tube A. Test tube consisting of reaction mixture, test tube B. The following chemical reaction takes place in this activity. Fe solid plus copper sulfate aqueous gives FeSO4 iron sulfate plus Cu. In this reaction, iron has displaced or removed another element, copper, from copper sulfate solution. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. Other examples of displacement reaction are Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Pb plus CuCl2 copper chloride gives PbCl2 lead chloride plus Cu. Zinc and lead are more reactive elements than copper. They displace copper from its compounds. Double displacement reaction. You will observe that a white substance which is insoluble in water is formed. This insoluble substance formed is known as precipitate. Any reaction that produces a precipitate can be called a precipitation reaction. Na2SO4 sodium sulfate with barium chloride gives barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Formation of barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Test tube containing solution of barium chloride. Test tube containing solution of sodium sulfate. What causes this? The white precipitate of BaSO4 is formed by the reaction of SO4 2- and Ba2+. The other product formed is sodium chloride which remains in the solution. Such reactions in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reactions. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.